Hi there, Joy here. After I finish my personal morning routine, I go ahead and jump right into the FlyLady system. We've covered all of the steps. I have a playlist if you're interested. But for now, let's put it all together. Let's fly. Here I am just washing my face. It's so important to do this regularly to get rid of any dirt, sweat, or debris that might have gotten on you through the night. Next, I take a shower. Since I'm doing Grow with Joe in the mornings, I do get pretty sweaty. And now here I am, dressed. Quick, huh? Down to shoes, please. Next, I do my skincare and some light hair and makeup. All of this is part of the FlyLady system because it's not just about cleaning. It's about finally loving yourself. And here I am doing the daily swish and swipe. Next, we unload the dishwasher to have a clean slate for the day ahead, or the dish rack, whatever it is that you have. So I finally found a place for the bananas. But can you guys please tell me where would I put my knives? Because my eldest can finally reach the drawer and I wasn't going to risk it. So I moved them from here to here. But it's not my favorite. So what do you think? Let me know. Any solutions? At this point, the boys are still sleeping, so this is where I do my LOL. Started at least. Since the boys are up at this time, I go ahead and start making the bed. harder to do than the swish and swipe. Can you believe it? I have a lot of pillows. If you take any vitamins, now's the time to do it. Also give your children theirs if they take. Here I am doing the first room rescue of the day. With two little boys, my home gets super messy all of the time. This helps keep things neat and tidy, and it doesn't take more than 5 minutes. At this point in the FlyLady system, you can go ahead and check your calendars, your to-dos, even your control journal to make sure you're getting everything that needs to be done. The tea was super hot. Since everything is done at this point, now I just have the rest of the morning to bond, learn, and play with my boys. I have so much free time now with the FlyLady system that we even got to go to the park and saw a bunny, which is so cool because we're learning about I'm very active at the park with them, so this is also part of my 15-minute movement. Here I go doing the second room rescue because as I said before, my home does get super messy. So my family does eat meat, but on this day, they're choosing to eat veggie with me, which is so exciting because I don't have to make two types of protein. This tofu is so good. We're having tofu tacos today, as it is Taco Tuesday. You're gonna want to prep whatever you can at this point. If you are cooking meat, take it out to defrost it and go ahead and prep any of the vegetables. It makes things easier for later. It is Tuesday, so it is a free day for me. Otherwise, at this point, I'd be working on decluttering or deep cleaning and my daily focus. Since it is Tuesday, I got to color. While the boys are napping on my free day, I also get to decorate my planner and practice the keyboard. still a newbie. I'm working on it. By now the clothes are all done, so before the boys wake up, I fold them and put them away. I also got to record some YouTube videos and do my nails. I use these packs right here. They're super good. Though I didn't do physical declutter today, I did do paper declutter. I do this 6 times a week to stay on top of it. My dishwasher isn't working right now, so I get to hand wash the dishes. It's pretty much a fancy dish rack. I set out the rag to dry for a little bit, and then I come back and change it. And put the other one in the hamper. While Dad plays with the boys, I get things ready for the next day. I like to do this as soon as possible so that I may have more free time to enjoy with my family. Now it's time for the final 5-minute room review. Don't forget to check your calendar. Thanks to God, the FlyLady system has given me more time and energy to be with my family and do the things that I love. This is truly a blessing. I hope you try it. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.